Hello. So today we'll be looking at TCL commands. TCL commands are nothing but save point, uh, save point followed by save point name. Then we have rollback, and we can write even rollback to save point name. And then we have commit. Okay. Rollback can also be used normally without the use of a save point name like this. So to check all of these, let's write a few queries first. For example, what we can do is, we know that we have these three tables, name testing. So let's first see what does name testing contain. Select star from name testing. Okay, we have four names here. So what we'll be doing is, let's create a delete statement. Delete from name testing, where emp number equal to let's take one. Okay, so what happens if we run this query? We will get the whole result without this John Doe result. So what I'll do is, I'll create a markers, that is save point, and then name, like name 1. Okay, this way this particular whatever I write next, this particular location has been marked by save point name 1. Okay, so if I just run it, a save point has been created. Anything before this will not, and after this will be differentiated by this one save point. Now if I delete the query, okay, and I do this again, the result has changed to 234, right? Now I want to create another save point name 2. What I'll do is, I'll rerun the same query, with the difference that instead of 1 I'll be changing wherever the name is 2. Okay, first we'll create another save point. Another save point has been created. Delete, everything is deleted, and we have 3 and 4. Okay, now the changes you have made are not saved. Okay, so what we'll do is, we'll create another one time, this time 3, and we'll again differentiate it on the basis of another save point, which we will call name 3. That's kind of obvious. Okay, so new save point has been created and another delete has been done. Now what happens is, sometimes we want to roll back, like we don't want to make any changes which happened here, but any changes which happened up to this point we want to keep. So what you can do is, you can write rollback to, and then name of save point, so name 3. Now what happens if this is, let me just run it, rollback is complete, and now your result has only 3 and 4. Once you roll back to name 3, so every command that you gave before this has been completed, but any command after this has been returned. Okay, this same way you can again roll back to name 2 as well. And you will see that after this, if you try to get the detail, you will get even 2, because after writing this line you had called for deleting, so anything that happened after this line has been rolled back. Now there's also a scenario of commit. Once you write commit, what happens is, whatever changes have been made before that, they have been made to permanent storage. So this does not change your result for now. Okay, but you try to roll back again to name 1. It had already been committed. Okay, so now what happens is, you get the error that name 1 never established in this session. Okay, because once you committed it, the session ended, so any save point that you created before that is not there. So your output will be same as the one you got in the last query, 2, 3 and 4. Just to see it, 2, 3 and 4. This is the difference. Now there can also be a scenario where you might want to create a save point. Okay, let's create save point 2. Create it. Delete anything which is 2. Your current output is defined as this. You created a new save point 3 and you got the result as same. Then you deleted anything which is having 3. Now your result is only one row, that is 4th. Okay, now what you want to do is you have got 2 rows that are deleting the values having the number 2 and 3. Value 1 is already committed, so we are not going to talk on it. So now what happens is you want to have the row number 2 rolled back. Like you want this value but you don't want 3. What you can do is you can roll back to name 2. Okay, because name 2 is defined before you deleted it. So roll back to name 2 because we already have the command here. Control enter, roll back complete. You got the result as 2 and 3 both. And then anything that you wanted after it, you will have to rerun that command. Okay, where you cannot use a save point because save points will reach you here. So you can delete here, you can create a new save point, but that will even get you back here. Plus rollback is you are going back, you cannot roll ahead. Okay, so once you got your result, you deleted this. Now just run the commit command. Once commit runs, the session has ended, all the save point have been removed from memory, and thus you cannot go back to any of the old data. So that's it. These are the 3 TCL commands that we had to look. Thank you.